This fun twist to the classic Vada Pav recipe is as mind-blowing as it can get, bringing you a Seedha Sada recipe of Ulta Vada Pav. Firstly, for the potato filling, I am heating 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil has heated up, I am adding half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, 4 garlic cloves finely chopped, 2 green chillies chopped, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, 6 to 7 curry leaves roughly torn, and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Saute for 15 seconds. Next, I am adding 4 potatoes boiled and mashed. Let's mix in. Time to add 1/2 teaspoon of salt and half a tablespoon of lemon juice. Mix. Let's add a tablespoon of chopped coriander. Mix. And the potato filling for the Ulta Vada Pav is ready. While this is cooling down, let's make the besan batter. I'm taking 2 cups of gram flour or besan, half a teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 cup of water in batches to make a smooth batter. The batter should have a medium thick flowing consistency. This is done. Let's quickly get the pav ready. Let's slice each pav in halves without breaking them into 2 parts. These are done. Now I'm simply applying green chutney on one side and garlic chutney on the other. If you want to know the recipe for garlic chutney, let me know in the comment section below. It's time to add the potato fillings in between the pav. Press both the sides gently. In this way, I have stuffed all of them. For frying, I'm coating the stuffed pav with the besan batter we made and gently releasing it into the hot oil. Keep on flipping the sides so that these are fried from all the sides. Golden brown and crisp. Let's take them out. Cut in halves. And enjoy this with a hot cup of chai, fried chilies and chutney. This combination is undoubtedly a hit. Until we meet again, eat well, live well and stay blessed.